Viewers, welcome again to Yella Academy for Competitive Exams. This time to the post number 3 on educational psychology and pedagogy. Dear viewers, those who have missed post number 1 and 2 kindly refer to the link posted in the respective groups. Now we move to post number 3 of educational psychology. Question number 1. Out of the box thinking is related to. Out of the box thinking is related to. Given options. Option A, divergent thinking. Option B, convergent thinking. Option C, memory based thinking. Option D, consistent thinking. Again, I repeat. Out of the box thinking is related to A, divergent thinking. B, convergent thinking. C, memory based thinking. D, consistent thinking. Now we move to question number 2. The answers are posted in the last slide. Yes, you may take it as a objective test. Question number 2. The theory of multiple intelligence was proposed by. Again I repeat, the theory of multiple intelligence was proposed by. Given options: A, Thorndike, B, Maslow, C, Jean Piaget, D, Howard Gardner. The theory of multiple intelligence was proposed by A, Thorndike, B, Maslow, C, Jean Piaget, D, Howard Gardner. Now moving to question number 3. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe our channel by clicking the red button. Now we move to question number 3. According to Gorsky, the primary cause of cognitive development is. According to Gorsky, the primary cause of cognitive development is. Given options: A, stimulus response pairing, B, social interaction, C, equilibration, D, none of these options. Again I repeat, according to Gorsky, the primary cause of cognitive development is A, stimulus response pairing, B, social interaction, C, equilibration, D, none of these options. Moving to question number 4. According to NCF 2005 report, the role of a teacher has to be. According to NCF 2005, the role of a teacher has to be. Given options: A, permissive, C, B, facilitative, C, dictatorial, D, authoritative. According to NCF report 2000, published in the year 2005, the role of a teacher has to be permissive. Option A, B, facilitative. Option B, C, dictatorial. Option C, D, authoritative. Option D. Question number 5. The gifted learner will fill the following characteristics. The gifted learner will fill the following characteristics. Given options: A, feels understimulated, B, needs challenging activities, C, feels bored of normal routine work, D, all the above. Again I repeat, the gifted learner will fill the following characteristics. A, feels understimulated, B, needs challenging activities, C, feels bored of normal routine work, D, all the above. Moving to question number 6. Secondary agents of socialization is. Secondary agents of socialization is. Given options: A, family and relatives, B, school and relatives, C, school and neighborhood, D, family and neighborhood. Secondary agents of socialization is A, family and relatives, B, school and relatives, C, school and neighborhood, D, family and neighborhood. Moving to question number 7. Which of the following is a sensitive period pertaining to language development? Again I repeat, which of the following is a sensitive period pertaining, that is relating to language development? A, adulthood, B, middle childhood, C, early childhood, D, prenatal period. Which of the following is a sensitive period pertaining to child language development? Given options: A, adulthood, B, middle childhood, C, early childhood, D, prenatal period. Moving to question number 8. Effective school practice is. Effective school practice is A, competitive classroom, B, individualized learning, C, corporal punishment, D, comparative evaluation. Again I repeat, effective school practice is A, competitive classroom, B, individualized learning, C, corporal punishment, D, comparative evaluation. Moving to question number 9, the penultimate question. The first principle of true teaching according to Sri Aurobindo is. The first principle of true teaching according to Sri Aurobindo is A. Nothing can be taught. B. Learning by doing. C. Life-oriented education. D. Life-centered education. The first principle of true teaching according to Sri Aurobindo is nothing can be taught, learning by doing, life-oriented education, life-centered education. Moving to question number 10, the last question of this post. Vishwa Bharati came into existence in. Vishwa Bharati University came into existence in. Given options A. 1920, B. 1921, C. 1922, D. 1919. The options are 1920, 1921. Option B. Option C. 1922. Option D. 1919. Dear viewers, I hope all of you are ready with your answers. Can we check our answers? I hope all of you will score a minimum of 8 and a maximum of 10. Let's check out. Ella Academy for Competitive Exams Educational Psychology post number 3 answers are as follows. 1A, 2D, 3B, 4B, 5D, 6C, 7C, 8B, 9A, 10B. The answers are 1. Divergent thinking, 2. Howard Gardner, C. Social interaction, 4. Facilitative, 5. All the above, all the given above, 6. School and neighborhood, 7. Early childhood, 8. Individualized, 9A. Nothing can be taught by nothing can be taught, 10. 1921. That is 8 is individualized learning. Okay, dear viewers, next post will be posted tomorrow again on 10 to 15 MCQs relating to educational psychology or pedagogy. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe our channel. By subscribing, you are motivating us. That's it. Thank you. All the best and take care.